In the age of viral cucumber salad recipes, here's my Maharashtrian version, Khamanga Kakdi. It starts with a special chopping method called Kakdi Kochne, giving it those uneven, interesting textures that makes every bite unique. Then comes the magic mix, crushed peanuts or danyacha koot, salt, green chilies, a hint of sugar, lime juice, and cumin powder. And finally, that sizzling tadka of cumin seeds, bringing everything together in one crunchy, tangy, khamanga bite. Simple, refreshing, and deeply rooted in home.